In this video, I am discussing 6th standard mathematics, Ganita Prakasha, chapter 7, fractions. Now, I will discuss equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are different fractions that represent the same value. They take up the same amount of whole. They take up the same amount of whole even though numbers look different. See here, for example, 1 by 2 is same as 2 by 4. This is equivalent fractions. I repeat once again, equivalent fractions are different fractions that represent the same value. This is same value. They take up the same amount of the whole, even though the numbers look different. 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 numbers are different, but value is 1 by 2 only. 2 by 4 value is 1 by 2 only. That means equivalent fractions are different fractions that represent the same value. They represent same value. For example, see, you get equivalent fractions by multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. For example, if we take 1 by 2, this is a fraction. If we multiply 1 by 2 into numerator by 2 and denominator by 2, we get 2 by 4. This is same as 1 by 2. Now, next, if we divide 2 by 4 by 2 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4. If we divide 2 by 4 by 2, both numerator and denominator dividing 2, we get 1 by 2. Like this. If we multiply same number or if we divide the same number both with numerator and denominator, we get equivalent fractions. For example, 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6. This is equivalent fractions. Another example, 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6 is equal to 6 by 9. This is also an equivalent fraction. Why? Because we are scaling the fraction evenly. Nothing changes about actual size. Here, actual size becomes the same. That's why it is equivalent fraction. Next, imagine on pizza. See, this is one pizza. Cut it to 2 slices. See here, I am cutting this pizza into 2 slices. Eating one slice is equal to 1 by 2. That means if we select or if we eating this part, it becomes 1 by 2. Total parts 2. Eating one part, that becomes 1 by 2 part. Next, cut the same pizza into 4 slices. If we cut this pizza into 4 slices, 4 slices, eating 2 slices, that becomes this part and this part. Total number of parts 4, eating 2 parts, that means 2 by 4. This is also 1 by 2. Dividing both numerator and denominator by 2. That's why it becomes 1 by 2. Same amount of pizza, different fraction. That means same actual size is same here. Next, quick check. How we quick check equivalent fractions? To see if two fractions are equivalent, cross multiply. Example, 2 by 4 and 1 by 2 are equivalent. Here 2 by 4, 2 by 4 and 1 by 2 are equivalent. Just cross multiply 2 into 2, 2 into 2 here 4. Next 1 into 4, 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Therefore, value is same, both are equivalent fractions. This is quick check. Now, let us do some more activities with the same paper strip. In your book, they given some activity. See, this is a paper strip, 1 unit paper strip. Here, we dividing this paper strip into two equal parts. Here, one part, two part. Next, dividing this paper strip into four equal parts. Here, two parts considering 2 by 4. Here, dividing two equal parts, 1 by 2 parts considering, that means 1 by 2. Here, dividing one paper strip into 8 equal parts considering 4 parts, that becomes 4 by 8. Are the length 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 equal? Yes, they are equal. Are the lengths 2 by 4 and 4 by 8 are equal? Yes, that also equal. We can say that 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 4 by 8. Yes, these are equivalent fractions that denote same length, but they are expressed in terms of different fractional unit. They are expressed in terms of different fractional units. I already told this. Now, check whether 1 by 3 and 2 by 6 are equivalent fractions or not. Using a paper strip, make your own fraction wall using such a strip as given in picture below. See, this is a 1 unit strip, 1 paper strip, making or dividing this paper strip into 2 equal parts. Here 1 by 2, 2 by 2. That means this is 1 by 2 part, this is 1 by 2 part, makes 1 part. Next, dividing this paper strip into 3 equal parts. Here 4 equal parts, 5 equal parts, 6 equal parts. Now see the question. Are the length 1 by 2 and 3 by 6 equal? This is 1 by 2, 3 by 6 here. Lengths are equal. Yes, they are equal. Because 3 ones are 3 twos are. We get 1 by 2 only. Yes, they are equal. Are the 2 by 3 and 4 by 6 equivalent fractions? Why? Yes. Yes, equivalent fractions because we get same value. We get same value. Same value or same length. Next, how many pieces of length 1 by 6 will make a length of 1 by 2? 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6. That means 3. 3 into 1 by 6 makes 3 ones are 3 twos are 1 by 2. Answer is answer 3. How many pieces of length? 1 by 6 will make length 1 by 3. 1 by 3 here 2. 2 into 1 by 6 makes 1 by 3. 2 ones are 2 threes are. That means 1 by 3. Answer is 2. Answer 2. Yes. Next. We can extend this idea to make a fraction wall up to the fractional unit 1 by 10. This fraction wall is given at the end of the book. Okay. 1 unit. Dividing this 1 unit into 2 equal parts, 3 equal parts, 4 equal parts, 5 equal parts, 6 equal parts, 7 equal parts, 8 equal parts, 9 equal parts, 10 equal parts. 10 by 10 is 1. Okay. This is simple. Try you also. Next. Are 3 by 6, 4 by 8 and 5 by 10 equivalent fractions? Why? Because they are equivalent, because we can write 3 by 6 as 3 by 6 is equal to 3 into 1 by 3 into 2. This 3 get cancelled. We get 1 by 2 as the answer. Next, 4 by 8 is equal to 4 into 1 by 4 into 2. That means this 4 get cancelled. 1 by 2. Next, 5 by 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are. This 5 get cancelled. We get 1 by 2. Therefore, 3 by 6 is equal to 4 by 8 is equal to 5 by 10 are equivalent fractions. Are equivalent fractions because we get the same value. Fractions. Next, write two equivalent fractions for 2 by 6. Two equivalent fractions means 2 by 6. One equivalent fraction is 2 into 1 by 2 into 3. This 2 get cancelled. 1 by 3. This is one equivalent fraction. Next, 2 by 6 is equal to, here we dividing by 2. Next, we multiplying here by 2 into 2 divided by 2. Both numerator and denominator I am multiplying here dividing. This is 4 by 12. That means, therefore, 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 6 is equal to 4 by 12 are equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. Next, 4 by 6 is equal to empty box is equal to empty box is equal to empty. Write as many as you can. We can write 4 by 6 as 2 by 3 by dividing this and 2 by 3. This is 1, or else 4 by 6 is a fraction. 4 by 6 into 2 divided by 2 is equal to 8 by 12. This is one fraction. Next, 4 by 6 is equal to 4 by 6 into 3 divided by 3. That means 12 by 18. This is also one fraction. Next, 4 by 6 is equal to 4 by 6 into 4 divided by 4. That means 16 by 24. This is 18 by 8 by 12. This is 8 by 12. Next, 12 by 18. Next, 16 by 24. These are all equivalent fractions. Next, this much for in this video. In the next video, I will discuss understanding equivalent fractions using equal shades. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.